In today's world, there is a growing interest in the power of the mind to shape our lives and attract abundance, and this video aims to shed some light on this subject. Throughout this video, we will be exploring the concept of faith, its significance in our lives, and how we can use it to manifest our dreams and desires. We will delve into the teachings of Neville Goddard, an influential spiritual teacher, an author who explored the relationship between the mind and the universe. By examining the essence of faith, we hope to gain a deeper understanding of how it can transform our lives and help us achieve our goals. We will also discuss practical ways to cultivate faith and harness its power to manifest abundance and success. So if you're curious about the power of the mind and how you can tap into it to create the life you want, this video is for you. Join us as we embark on an enlightening journey of self-discovery and explore the mysteries of faith and manifestation. The Bible is filled with numerous stories of individuals who displayed unwavering faith in the face of adversity. But one particular account has captured my attention. Neville Goddard in his teachings many times referred to this story. The story revolves around a woman who suffered from a debilitating disease and was desperate for a cure. She heard of a man named Jesus who was known to perform miraculous healings and decided to seek him out. As Jesus made his way through the crowded streets, the woman pushed her way forward, hoping to catch a glimpse of him. She believed that if she could only touch the hem of his clothing, she would be healed. After much pushing and jostling, the woman finally managed to reach out and touch the hem of Jesus' garment. Instantly, she felt a surge of energy coursing through her body, and her disease disappeared. Jesus, sensing that someone had touched him, turned around to face the woman. He looked into her eyes and said, "Your faith has restored you." The story is a powerful reminder of the role that faith plays in our lives. It demonstrates that belief is a powerful force that can help us overcome even the most challenging obstacles. When we have faith in something and persistently pursue it, we are more likely to achieve our goals. The woman's faith was unwavering. She knew beyond a shadow of a doubt that Jesus could heal her, and she was willing to do whatever it took to make that happen. Her unshakable faith allowed her to tap into a power that was greater than herself and ultimately led to her healing. It's easy to get caught up in the idea that external forces control our lives. We often think of ourselves as powerless beings at the mercy of circumstances beyond our control. But the truth is that we have the power to shape our reality. Our beliefs and thoughts are incredibly potent and can influence the world around us. Jesus' response to the woman's healing was significant. He didn't say, "I have healed you." Instead, he acknowledged the power of her faith, saying, "Your faith has made you whole." It's a subtle but essential distinction. It emphasizes the fact that our beliefs and convictions play a crucial role in shaping our lives. When we have faith in something, we are more likely to take action to make it happen. We are more persistent in the face of obstacles, and we are more willing to take risks. We are not deterred by setbacks or failures because we believe that our ultimate success is inevitable. The woman's story is a testament to the power of faith. It reminds us that we are not powerless beings at the mercy of external forces. Instead, we have the power to shape our destiny through our beliefs and actions. The concept of faith can be challenging to grasp, but it is an essential part of the human experience. It requires us to trust in something that we cannot see or touch, and to believe in a power that is greater than ourselves. But when we embrace faith and allow it to guide us, we tap into a source of strength and resilience that can carry us through even the darkest of times. So I encourage you to have faith in yourself, in your dreams, and the power of the universe. Believe that you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to, and be persistent in pursuing your goals. Trust in the journey and know that every step you take brings you closer to your desired outcome. However, having faith doesn't mean sitting back and waiting for things to happen. It means taking action and trusting that the universe will provide what you need to achieve your goals. Sometimes the things we want may not come in the form we expect, but having faith allows us to recognize opportunities and possibilities that we may have otherwise overlooked. It's also important to note that having faith doesn't mean that we will never face challenges or obstacles. It's often through our struggles that we learn and grow the most. When we encounter difficulties, having faith allows us to trust that everything happens for a reason and that we will come out on the other side stronger and wiser. To manifest our desires, we need to have faith in the process. This may seem easier said than done, but cultivating faith is an important step toward achieving our goals. When we have faith in the manifestation process, we open ourselves up to the possibility of receiving our desires. Without this faith, we may doubt ourselves and our ability to attract what we want, which can ultimately prevent us from achieving our goals. So how can we cultivate faith in our own lives? One way to cultivate faith in the manifestation process is through gratitude. When we focus on the things we are grateful for, we shift our energy toward positivity and abundance. Gratitude helps us acknowledge the blessings in our lives and appreciate what we have rather than focusing solely on what we lack. By practicing gratitude regularly, we can build a positive mindset and attract more positive experiences into our lives. Another powerful tool for cultivating faith is meditation. Meditation helps us to connect with our inner selves and align our thoughts and emotions with our desires. When we meditate, we can quiet the chatter in our minds and focus on our intentions. This allows us to visualize what we want with greater clarity and conviction, which in turn strengthens our faith in the manifestation process. Visualization is also an important aspect of manifesting our desires. When we visualize our desires, we create a mental image of what we want and focus our thoughts and emotions on that image. This helps us to build a strong and clear vision of what we want, which in turn makes it easier for us to attract our desires into our lives. Visualization can be done through various techniques such as creating vision boards or simply visualizing our desires during meditation. In addition to gratitude, meditation, and visualization, other practices can help us cultivate faith in the manifestation process. Affirmations, for example, are a powerful tool for changing our mindset and beliefs. By repeating positive affirmations to ourselves, we can reprogram our subconscious mind and eliminate limiting beliefs that may be holding us back. Finally, it's important to remember that cultivating faith takes time and patience. It's not something that can be achieved overnight, but rather a continuous practice that requires commitment and perseverance. We must trust the process and have faith in ourselves and our abilities to manifest our desires. Even when we face challenges or setbacks, we must remain focused on our goals and maintain our faith in the manifestation process. Affirming is a fascinating practice that I wanted to discuss, as I have observed in my personal experience that a single affirmation can sometimes bring about immediate results, while other times it may take months or even years to manifest. The concept of affirmations is not new. It has been used for centuries by spiritual leaders and practitioners alike to manifest their desires. However, how we understand affirmations has evolved. Affirmations are no longer just a tool to manifest material possessions or situations. They are now seen as a means to cultivate a state of being that is in alignment with our desires. In my experience, affirmations work peculiarly. Sometimes I affirm something once, and it shows up in my reality almost instantly. Other times, it may take weeks, months, or even years to materialize. I used to get frustrated by this inconsistency, but I've come to realize that it's not about the time it takes for something to manifest. It's about the state of being that we cultivate while affirming. When we affirm something, we are essentially declaring that it already exists in our reality. We are aligning ourselves with the energy of our desire, and by doing so, we are inviting it into our experience. However, the key to making affirmations work is to believe without a doubt that what we desire is already done. We must trust the universe and let go of the need to control the outcome. The process of affirming is not just about reciting positive statements. It's about cultivating a state of knowing that what we desire is already done. It's about living in the present moment and accepting that our desires will come to pass at the perfect time. One of the most powerful affirmations that I've used is the statement, "I am the God of my reality." This statement may sound arrogant, but it's not about asserting power over others. It's about recognizing that we have the power to create our reality. We are the creators of our experience, and our thoughts and beliefs shape our reality. To cultivate a state of being that is in alignment with our desires, we must first accept and acknowledge our emotions. If we have a desire that feels too big or overwhelming, we must sit with that emotion and find a way to convince ourselves that our desire is not too big or small. We must accept our emotions and let go of the need to control the outcome. One technique that has worked for me is reading spiritual texts before bed. I've noticed that when I read books like the Neville Goddard Collection or the Bible before going to sleep, I wake up the next day more open to receiving manifestations. This is not about focusing on the desire itself, but about cultivating a state of knowing that what we desire is already done. The key to making affirmations work is to live in a state of knowing that our desire is already done. We must trust the universe and let go of the need to control the outcome. When we cultivate a state of being that is in alignment with our desires, we create a space for manifestation to occur effortlessly. In my recent experience, I was able to manifest an agency for my entertainment industry career effortlessly. I had let go of the need to control the outcome and trusted that the right agency would come to me at the right time. Within days, I was connected with an agency that was a perfect fit for me. Affirmations are not a magic pill that will instantly manifest our desires. They are a tool that we can use to align ourselves with the energy of our desires. When we believe without a doubt that what we desire is already done, we create a space for its manifestation to occur effortlessly. The key is to trust the universe and let go of the need to control the outcome. When we live in a state of knowing, we become the creators of our reality, and anything is possible. I hope I was able to deliver a good analysis of this idea by Neville Goddard. And of course, this doesn't mean we agree with every single thing he said or believed in, because in the end, everyone will form his or her own opinion, and that is why we are analyzing and discussing his ideas and methods to fully understand his approach and general ideas, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to share your opinion, comment down below this video, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.